Example number 2. We are saying two similar hexagons have corresponding lengths of sides as corresponding sides of 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters. A. Find the ratio of their areas. B. Find the area of the larger hexagon. Right, if the area of the larger hexagon is 150 square centimeters, find the area of the smaller one. Right. First, we want to find the ratio of areas. Ratio of their areas. First, we square the scale factor. Ratio of corresponding lengths when reduced to the lowest terms gives the scale factor. So in this case, it is 2/5. And if we square 2/5, we get 4/25, which is the area factor. That is the ratio of areas of the similar shapes. Right. Now we are told that if the area of the larger hexagon is 150 square centimeters, find the area of the smaller one. Right, so we are saying ratio of areas. A, the area of the smaller, let the area of the smaller be A. So we are saying A over 150 is the same as the given ratio of the areas, the given area factor, that is 4/25. So we are saying A over 150 is equal to 4/25. Right, we multiply both sides by 150 to make A the subject. So that A equal to 4 times 150/25. And we say 25 into 150 is 60. 60 times 4 is 24. Right, so our area of the smaller is 24 square centimeters. Go on to number 3. We go on to number 3, example number 3. Example number 3. Right, example number 3, it says a map of Harare. Map of Harare is drawn to a scale 1:50,000 on the map. Right, on the map, the airport covers an area of 8 square an area of 8 square centimeters. Find the true area of that airport in hectares. Right, we are saying a map of Harare is drawn to a scale 1:50,000. On the map, the airport covers an area of 8 square centimeters. Find the true area of the airport in hectares. Right, we want to find the true area in hectares. Solution: scale factor is 1:50,000, and 50,000 is the same as 5 times 10 to the power 4. Area factor is equal to 1/5 times 10 to the power 4 in bracket squared. We square the scale factor to get the area factor, which means we square each and every term inside. 1 squared gives us 1, and 5 squared is 25. 10 to the power 4 squared is 10 to the power 8. Right, so that the area factor 1/25 times 10 to the power 8 is equal to 8, that is the area of the smaller area of the on the map, over A capital, which shows capital, the larger one. That is the actual area. Right, so here we cross multiply. We cross multiply so that 1 times A will give us what? A equal to 8 times 25 times 10 to the power 8 square centimeters. That is the area of the larger of the actual area in square centimeters. But we are told to give it in hectares. Right, you must be able to convert from square centimeters to hectares. We should remember that 1 hectare is equal to 100 meters by 100 meters. And we want to express it in square centimeters. We change the 100 meters to centimeters. It becomes 10,000 centimeters times 10,000 centimeters. Right, which is equal to 1 times 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 10 to the power 8 square centimeters. So 1 hectare is equal to 1 times 10 to the power 8 square centimeters. Right, therefore, the area in hectares, we do simple proportion, and it means that we divide this area, which is in square centimeters, by 1 times 10 to the power 8 square centimeters, which means we are dividing by 1 hectare to find out how many 1 hectares are in this so that this 10 to the power 8 square centimeters and 10 to the power 8 square centimeters cancel off. We are left with a 25 times 8 times 1 hectare, which is equal to 200 hectares, which is equal to 200 hectares, right? That's the end. You can do the following as an exercise. Please do the homework and send the work, each and every one of you. Those who will not write will not receive any more work. I will send work to the inboxes of those who write my work, who submit work for marking. There are some of you who have developed a tendency of not submitting the work for marking. I thank you.